everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is a Christmas special video. This year we decided to decorate our home for Christmas and have our own Christmas tree. I went to a convent school, so decorating my own home for Christmas is something that I've always wanted to do. Focusing on something creative really helped me to muster positive energy and will hopefully end this year on a positive note. In today's video, I'll take you guys Christmas shopping, show you what all I've got, including the Christmas tree. I'll leave all the links in the description if you want to buy the same. And finally, we'll reveal the decorator space. So without further ado, let's get started. To buy decoration items, I went to Itsy Bitsy store in Bangalore. All the items available in the store are available on their website as well. They have a wide variety of Christmas collection and you can spend hours and hours here for Christmas shopping. Now let's see everything we got for Christmas decor, starting from the Christmas tree. After doing a lot of research on Christmas trees, I finally found this tree on Amazon and I was completely satisfied on how it turned out. This tree is 5 feet long and its price was 2000 rupees. Now let's see all the decor items I got from Itsy Bitsy. This is a DIY Christmas ornament kit which will have all the materials inside to make this ornament. It was on sale, so I got it for just Rs 25 and it turned out so beautiful. Rest of the things I bought online from Amazon and Mashooda. Now let's see all the decorations. Here is the final look of the Christmas tree with gold and silver ornaments. I also put fairy lights inside. On the wall we have a Merry Christmas garland, which is a free template I got from Pinterest. On the table I put some decor items which I already had with me. I hope you guys liked the overall look. I will leave all the links in the description so that you guys can check it out. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, don't forget to drop a like and share it with your friends. Subscribe to my channel if you want to watch more such videos. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year to all. See you in the next video. Bye.